MetaTrader 4 winning trading strategy. This strategy is really meant for MetaTrader 4 and not MetaTrader 5. You cannot use this on derived platform. This is strictly meant for MT4. Before you take any trade, make sure you check Forex Factory to see if there's any news that may likely affect your trading analysis. Make sure you check Forex Factory. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. If today is the first time of coming across my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you subscribe and do not forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified each time I share another winning forex trading strategy, either for MetaTrader 4 or for MetaTrader 5. We have a lot of best forex broker outside there. Make sure you check them out. In my video description, I did draw some links to some of these regulated forex brokers. Make sure you check them out and open a demo account with them first. Try out your strategy. If you are consistent, then you can go live with your hard-earned money. But before you do that, make sure you practice on forex demo account before you open a live account and fund with your hard-earned money. Make sure you practice on regulated forex brokers. Now let us move on to today's strategy. On my chart right now, I have few indicators that I've combined together to come up with this winning strategy for MetaTrader 4 and not MetaTrader 5. You cannot use this on derived platform. Now, this is the first indicator that I have here. This does not repaint. It turns from green to red. Green is a buy signal and the red is for a sell, as we have it here. Then I have another arrow here. This white arrow does not repaint. The yellow arrow does not repaint too. This is a double confirmation to enter a trade, either sell or buy. This indicator, this lime color and red color indicator. Red is for sell and the lime is red. Then the last indicator on the indicator that do give us where the market may likely turn. This is a buy zone right now. We are the buy zone, and then this is the middle line. Then the upper line is somewhere up here. Here's the upper line. So the last indicator I have right now on the indicator window is MACD indicator. I know most of us we are familiar with it. This is a sell signal here. It did give us signal before this at this particular point, but we wait for all indicators to be in agreement before we take our trade. Now that you know all the indicators I use for this particular strategy, now let us analyze this chart together. For a sell, number one thing you need to look out for is this. The arrow indicator must be present. This must cross or change from lime to red for a sell. Then we have this indicator in agreement and MACD in agreement. So at this particular point, you can place your trade where we have all the indicators in agreement. You can place your trade. Your stop loss will just be few pips above the previous high, and you ride the trend. So for continuation, you can enter another trade at this point where this indicator changes to red again for a sell. Now let's check a buy setup. So at this particular point, we have this indicator changing to lime color. This also did change. We have confirmation, and on MACD we have confirmation here also. The red line cross above the green line, and we have the histogram here. and then when you check the main chart, the two arrows were present at this particular point. So this is another buy setup that you can trade. All indicators in agreement, then you can take this particular trade. This is a winning setup or strategy that you can use on any time frame. Here is it on 5-minute time frame, and it is consistent, and I use this to even trade on weekend, to trade cryptocurrency, and I did make some money using this particular strategy. So this is how to use this particular strategy, and this is New Zealand US dollar. Let's check it either on crypto or on other pairs, either on the meta like gold or on the BTC USD. Let's see how it work out. Now before then, we are at the buy zone here. We have the first indicator in agreement. MACD is in agreement right now, and we are at the buy zone. So I'm waiting for the last indicator, this, to change to green before I place my trade. But if you're an aggressive trader, you can place your trade right now with a small lot size, which I'm going to do right now. Let me place this particular trade. Because all the indicators are not in agreement, so I'm going to reduce my lot for this. Then my stop loss will just be 50 pips below the previous low, or better still, put it at the back of this line. This is the third line for a buy zone. So this is a live account. I just placed the trade right now. Let's check other pairs and see if it works effectively on other pairs, but make sure it is a regulated Forex account. That is, you open it with a regulated Forex brokers. So here is it on the US 100 or US Tech, and still on 5-minute time frame. Let's check the history a bit and see how it works on the indices. The methodology remained the same. At this particular point, we have this line changing from red to green at this particular point, and we have this indicator did change earlier to green for a buy, and then when you check, we have the arrow present. We have the two arrows present here. Confirmation at this particular point. MACD was in agreement, so this is a good buy setup on the US Tech or US 100. Here's it on US 30. Now this is why I said if you're an aggressive trader, you might take it this trade as we have it here. When this line has not changed, you find out that this line did not change, but we have other indicators in agreement. MACD agreed at this point, so if you pick this trade, only go for small pips, and this is a good continuation for this particular trade. So a buy setup, we have it at this particular point where we have all the indicators in agreement. So this is the right point or the best point for you to place your trade. For a buy and for a sell, we have all the indicators in agreement too, so you can place your trade. You can use this on any time frame you want. Just make sure you follow this simple rule. Make sure you check the video description to download all the indicators. I did include my templates. I do not want to go over all the indicators one by one and showing you the settings, but when you use my template you will have the same template like mine. Just make sure you download it. It is in the video description. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so, and do not forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified each time I share another winning forex trading strategies or indicators. Make sure you trade on regulated forex brokers. In my video description I did drop some links to some of these regulated forex brokers. Make sure you check them out and open a demo account with them first. Try your strategy. If you are okay with it, then you can go live and add your end money, or fund your account with your end money. Make sure you follow money management and do check forex factory. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow forex trader, Joe, and bye for now.